When it comes to E-track, A-track, X-track, the same fittings work in each of those tracks as long as they have the rectangular slot. Some of the accessories that go along with the E-tracks are a tool holder, some fittings with a round ring, some rope tie-offs. Some great opportunities for these fittings are to hook in maybe ratchet straps that have an S-hook or a different kind of hook, using bolts to tie things down. These fittings with rings on the end clip right into the track and work great for hooking other straps into. We have a tire holder that clips in that you can mount a tire to. If you got a toy hauler, a race trailer, something like that. We've got some different baskets and trays for fasteners, fittings. Great for storage of the accessories when you're not using them. One of the most popular items with E-track, A-track, X-track would be the straps that have the clip-in fittings on the end and then a ratchet or cam buckle in the middle for tightening. We have the wood beam in socket that clips in, and you can lay a 2x4 in there to create a shoring bar or decking bar with a 2x4. Some different sizes of hooks for storing extension cords, different tools in a tool trailer, things like that. And then a hose or cable storage unit that clips into the track. Great for storing air hoses, garden hoses, electrical cords, things like that.